you ready to learn about chemical reaction? In this experiment, we're gonna learn how to blow up a balloon using baking soda and vinegar. These materials needed for this experiment include empty bottle, vinegar, baking soda, balloon.
Take off the cap and pour the vinegar into the bottle.
Pour the baking soda into the bottle. Once the baking soda is in, quickly put the mouth of the balloon over the bottle opening. It might be helpful to practice putting the balloon on the bottle quickly before you do the actual experiment so you can get the hang out of it.
When you combine the baking soda and vinegar, the two chemicals undergo a chemical reaction.
Two chemicals react to each other to form a new chemical or chemicals.
Baking soda plus vinegar, water plus sodium plus carbon dioxide. In this case, baking soda and vinegar combine to form water, same chemical sodium acetate and carbon dioxide.